Hello, my firearms enthusiasts. It's the Wolf Hunter. Just wanted to give you an update on my Hunter's Lodge K98 after I cleaned it up. If you saw my previous video before, you've seen where it was all full of cosmoline and git-gok and years of neglect. Well, this is how it came out, and I'm very pleased with it. The bluing on this is really nice. I apologize for the lighting, but I'm having lighting issues here in the man cave. But it come out really good. The bluing looks really nice on it. Let's see if I can get the rifling for you folks. Let's see, bear with me. Okay. See. That's about the best I can do, folks. Right there. I apologize for the outdoor furniture, but I had to move stuff out in order to produce the film here. But I am pleased with everything. Come up very nice. Bluing really strong. And as you know, as I told you, that this is a Yugoslavian K98. There's the crest. It does have some original German Waffen amps on it. But the Yugoslavs got these after the war to augment their army, and they refurbished a lot of them, and I do believe this is one of them because it's in really, really good shape. Bore on this thing's excellent. Bluing is really good, really sharp. All the parts are very nice, very nice. Here's the stock. And as you see down here, it's got a repair, but this is not like the big time K98 collector. It's not worth thousands or whatever. This is just a good old K98 that I got from Hunter's Lodge. James did the best he could. He said there was a bunch of them, and I just took his word on what he pulled out, and this is what he got me. And as you know, if you watch my unboxing video, I'm going to put a side mount on this and turn it into a World War II reproduction of a German sniper using the ZF-39 scope with the short rail, side rail mount. And I'm going to get that from the Waffenmeister and put it together and maybe do some deer hunting with it. I can't wait to take it out and shoot it. It looks like a really good shape. I'm very pleased with it. And stay tuned for the assembled video. I'm going to post a video of it after I get it all back together and see how it looks. And as always, I thank you for turning in. And if you hasn't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like button. I would appreciate it. It would help me out. And as always, God bless America. Stay safe. Watch your six. And I stand with the people of Ukraine.